Module 1 Recap. Congratulations, you have reached the last lesson in Module 1. Make sure you download your checklist below this video. We recommend printing the PDF out. PDF is designed to show you the progress you have made and also remind you if you've missed anything in this module. Each module will have its own PDF for you to print out and follow. Module 1 Badges. Your Seller Central Setup Badge and your Opportunity Finder Badge. Here is what you need to do to claim these two badges. So I've logged into the Amazing Selling Machine, and if you remember from the Welcome module, all we need to do to check on our badges is to click on the down arrow next to our profile picture and click on My Badges. Now I'm going to walk you through the two badges for this module, but you also want to go back and make sure you've claimed the ones from the Welcome module. So the first one is the Seller Central Setup Badge. You can read the description, and the requirement is to upload a screenshot of your Amazon Seller Central account. And what we actually need is your profile page. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I've collapsed a lot of the tabs to avoid having to blur out too much information. So your page might look a little bit different than this. But what you need to do to claim your badge is go to the top right, put your mouse over Settings, and then click on Account Info. Then all you need to do is take a screenshot of the top left corner of this page. Now I'm on a Mac, so if you remember from the previous lessons, it's Command-Shift-4, and that gives us the cursor. I'm going to put that in the top left corner, hold down the left key and drag the box down. And you want to go far enough to the right that it includes the entire URL at the top of the page and about halfway down the page too. So you're taking a screenshot of the gray area you can see here. Then all I need to do is let go. You can hear the lovely camera shutter sound, and that means it's dropped that screenshot onto my desktop. Then all I need to do is choose File on the badge setup and navigate to that screenshot. Double click on it. You can see it's appeared there, and click Submit. And I'm not going to click Submit on this because I don't want support to have to go through and check it. Now, only one person in support will ever see this badge and your details. And once they've used it, they will delete the screenshot. So there's no need for you to worry about privacy. But that's our Seller Central Setup Badge done. And the next one is the Opportunity Finder. So I'm going to click on that. You can obviously go through the description, but upload a screenshot of your 3 top product opportunities. So to do that, I'm going to go to our opportunity spreadsheet, and all we need to see is your list of products, or you can create a new file with just your 3 best hot opportunities if you wish. Again, it's Command-Shift-4. I'm going to put my cursor in the top left and drag it down. You just need to show up to the end of the BSR column. So you end up, you can see where my gray square is there. Just make sure you've covered your 3 hot opportunities and then take the screenshot. We go back, and again we just choose the file, find the screenshot and click Submit. So that's how you claim your 2 badges for Module 1. Now, product selection is one of the most important aspects of the entire business model. Because of this, it can also be the most time consuming. But being patient and methodical is really important. You've heard me say that multiple times during this first module. Following the criteria and selection process will mean you have viable opportunities to take into Module 2. Action steps for this module. Set up World First or Payoneer if required. Set up your Seller Central account, whether it's in the US, the UK or Germany. Build your primary products list. Add your competing products to that list. Narrow down your list to your best 3 opportunities. Once you have done that, you have completed Module 1. So what's next? First, make sure you have chosen your best 3 hot opportunities. In Module 2, Mike is going to walk you through finding and contacting suppliers, choosing your best opportunity, which will become your first profitable product, ordering samples, and finally choosing your supplier. But that's it for this lesson and this module. Take care.